Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. March, Sabado, nights, tara na't maglaro. March, Sabado, nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. March, Sabado, nights, angat ang antas ng laro. March, Sabado, nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Basic, Habitar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, The Tart Project, Emerald Freight, Easy Gun, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Projects.
Shooting pa naman ako. Uy, hindi kayo naka-uniform dyan. Si Pinoy lang ano dyan.
On the way.
Nagagalit na ako. Uy, Rap, patay na ka.
Hey, look!
Masakot ang uniform ko pero pinasok ko. Why mo. Kasi lang, pag-rin kami dalawa na yan. Ay, pag-rin ko kayo eh. Uy, wala akong sinabi gano'n ah. Kaya na si Abi yung intro ka lagi ah. Kaya yung sapatos to. Mahina ang ulo ko ah. Dapat naman. At least may kasama ka lang. Wala dito eh. Kumana nagda. Hindi ko magpinimasa si Kaya. May isa dyan ako sa amin. Pinimasa ka si Kaya. Wala sa'yo masa sa akin eh.
Hoy, live tayo ha.
Live na raw rin.
Ay, na-record kanina. Rex, pa-record ha.
Ay, tag-lima lang. 1 minute ah. Ready ah, ready. 1 minute ah.
Di ba player? Okay na. Good. Rap.
Let's go! Number 2 versus number 3. Luntian versus Pula. Ang makakaharap ng puti sa semifinals. Ang mananalo dito. Crossover playoffs. Let's go!
Walang amores pero may alin. Ay, pre, medyo matimbras na pula isa. Let's go na.
Ito po si Karaig. Karaig.
Taganing din ba dyan? Taganing pala, taganing. Maganda.
Sakto lang siya.
Ibono ko lang, no? Ibono.
Lag-laga na! Please check your accessories. Tuck in your jerseys. Wala tayong accessories at pakituck in ang ating jerseys. Maraming salamat po.
Si ano? Lanson.
Lundian versus Pula. Playoffs crossover. Game 2.
Music.
Bago sa Paris. Muli ko mag-release.
Bro, music bro.
Mag-aari ko.
Let's go!
Bago sa Paris ng Geran. Gano'n pero. Jemoran?
Karaig for the shot! No good! No good pa rin, Pike. Vizcarra yan.
Rebound dagger pre. Ang rebounder.
Oo nga. Vizcarra!
Gio Vizcarra!
At sinimulan na ni Vizcarra ang kanyang rebound stats. San Jose, pass to Vergara. Vergara for 3.
Allen Vergara 3!
Andre C for 3, no good. Rebound by Nilo Javier. Nilo, pass to JL. JL San Jose, pass to Vergara pero lumagpas yan ng konti. Konting-konting haba pa ng braso. Makakuha niya na yan. Shoutout sa ating mga viewers. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa OSNBL. Karaig for 3, no good. Nakuha yan iba to.
Gio Vizcarra!
What a monster season by JR Vizcarra. Binubuhat niya si Aki. Kung nasan man si Aki ngayon. Kabubas, no good. Andre, pass to Jeron, nagmamadali. Hindi niya yan nakuha. Nakuha pa ng pula yan. Allen Vergara, tumira ng dress. No good. Andre C, hinagis again. Garde!
Jasper Garde!
Sinisinok ang ating mic.
6-3. 8 minutes and 10 seconds in the first.
San Jose, stops and pops, no good. Buraga for the shot.
George Buraga!
Andre C. Andre C with the shot, no good. Rebound by
Same ball.
Ito ba naman itong mic na to? Okay, baka signal. Kasi bago na to eh. Allen Vergara. Vergara, what a pass! Hindi rin nakita ni Buraga yan. Nakawa ni Joey. Nakawa ni Jeron. Karaig pass to Vizcarra is good.
JR Vizcarra!
Intercepted by Jeron. Jeron pass to Vizcarra. Vizcarra back to Jeron. Jeron with the layup. Jeron.
Jeron Javier! Hello.
Nilo Javier with the power move, no good. Nakuha ni Vizcarra, pass to Garde. Garde, pass to Javier. Intercepted.
Red ball.
Jasper Garde.
10-5 ang lamang ay luntian. 6 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Laglaga na!
San Jose stops. Pinasa kay Kabubas. Kabubas tumidiskarte. Tumira ng 3. Kabubas.
Kabubas 3!
What a shot by Kabubas. Vizcarra. Pass to Andre C. C. Hinahanap si Jeron. Jeron dumidiskarte. Jeron, pass to Andre C again. Andre C for the 3. No good. Rebound by Karaig. Karaig, what a pass. Pero nakagawan. Buraga. Hinagis kay San Jose pero nasobrahan yan. Shoutout sa'yo, Aki. Ang sarap maglaro.
Sarap mo.
Garde. For the 3. No good. Rebound by Nilo Javier. Nilo. Pass to Buraga.
Buraga, dumidiskarte, umikot, Buraga!
Joey Buraga.
Ay, sorry. Pasok ba?
On number 10,
25%.
Jero Javier.
Javier. Number 10, pre.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Ang score natin ay 10-9. 10-9. Ay, sorry. Tama ka. Sino yan, pre?
Jero Javier. 3.
Walang iya. Kabubas, babawi kaya? No good. 13-11, kalamangan ng Luntian.
13-11, 2-point lead by Luntian.
Andre C. Dumidiskarte. Andre C. For the shot. No good. Rebound by Nilo. Kanina pa rumi-rebound yan.
Green ball.
Jeron for 3. No good. Rebound by Kabubas. Kabubas pass to Vergara. Vergara dumidiskarte. Vergara for 2. No good. Rebound by 10. Javier. Javier pass to Vizcara. Vizcara back to Javier for the shot.
Jero Javier. Green ball. 15-11. 4-point lead by Luntian. Laglaga na sa ating playoffs crossover. Ang mananalo, kakaharapin ang nanalo kanina, puti.
Vizcara.
Foul on number 22, Milo Javier. First personal foul, first team foul.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, sa ating live viewers. First shot is good by Vizcara.
7 points na yan.
Ang agang 7 points, magiging 8 ba? 8 points early in the first quarter. What a seemingly monstrous performance again by JR Vizcara. Kabubas for 3. No go. Buraga wala pa rin.
Foul. Foul on number 30, Karaig. First personal foul, second team foul. So shots for Joey Buraga.
Wala, pareho yan para kay Yoj. Garde, intercepted by JL. Outside.
Same ball. Four minutes and 5 seconds.
Karaig pumukol sa 3. No good. Rebound by Joey. Buraga, nagbababa, nagmamadali. Pass to JL San Jose. What a pass to Joey. Pero naagawa ni Garde yan. Garde, pass to C. C, pass to Vizcara. Vizcara for the shot.
JR Vizcara.
What a performance by JR Vizcara sa ating season. JL for the shot. No good. Rebound by Karaig. Karaig, nagawa ni JL again. JL pass to Allen. Allen, bullet pass to Joey. Joey Buraga, no good. Nakuha ni San Jose yan. Anong height mo, Jeron?
Red ball.
What a play! No good! Rebound by Nilo Javier. Javier, dumidiskarte. Javier, pass to Buraga. Nakuha ni Pen, Kabubas. 4 seconds to shoot. Allen Vergara, 4-3.
Allen Vergara 3.
Points Allen.
Okay, salamat. Pero di ko talaga nilagyan ng game clock. Technical issues. Jeron, pass to Karaig. Karaig for 3. No good. Sino ba? Good.
JR Vizcara.
Tumama po yan, tumama. At rebound na naman yun kay JR Vizcara, akalain mo yun. Kabubas, pass to JL San Jose, part of our OSNBL third team.
JL San Jose 3.
Caraig, pass to Garde. Discarte daw, ni de Garde. Intercepted by Allen Vergara, pass to JL San Jose, nagmamadali sa kabila. JL San Jose,
JL San Jose.
cameraman, nahuli ka, cameraman.
Ang bagal mo, cameraman. Bagal mo! Wala kang bitaw. Nagkamot lang, bro. Nagkamot.
Nagkamot lang pala, sorry. Sa ating mga viewers, pasensya na kayo, nagkamot ng cameraman. Andre C. No good. Joey Buraga, pass to Vergara. Oops, nabitawan pero recovered by Vergara again. Vergara to Kabubas, pass to Vergara again. Vergara passes to JL San Jose.
JL San Jose. Deadlock at 21. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
JR Vizcara, pass to Jasper Garde. Jero Navier, Dumi Discarte. 10 seconds to shoot. Andre C. 4-3. No good. What a play by Garde. Hustle play yun.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Garde to Javier.
Foul on number 5, JL San Jose. First personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. One minute and 26 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Di kita ng laban. Shout out to Mami, Jeka Javier.
Allen Javier. Allen Vergara. 4-3, no good. Buraga.
Joey Buraga, change favor. 1 minute. Sable.
Andre C. 4-3. No good. Umikot lang sa ring yan. Rebound by Caraig again. Ay, Caraig. Vizcara pala. Intercepted by Pula. Kabubas, pumukol sa 3.
Kawoma 3. 26, 21, 22 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Thanks sa record, no? What a move by Vizcara! No good! Rebound by Black Superman. Pass to Kabubas. Recovered by Kabubas. 5 seconds. JL San Jose, 4-3. No good!
And that's the end of the first quarter. Ang ating
Sabado
score,
at Linggo,
26-21.
dito sa
5 point
OSNBL
lead,
nagsasalo.
Pula.
Score, Vizcara, 24. Wala din ang score.
Grabe yung Vizcara na yan, deserving talaga yan. Eh, paano kaya yung kapatid? Deserving kaya?
Pwede ba magbura?
Wag, may bata tayong mga viewers. Sabi ni Aki, time out po, tek. Ayaw mag-time out. Shoutout sa'yo, kaibigan.
Si coach kayo, sana okay na.
Sorry, Captain.
Online coach siya. Kasi maglaro sa naglalaro.
Stress ka na ba, boy?
Kompleto na yun. Magkakama siya manood para hindi siya may stress.
Second quarter.
Allen Vergara for the shot. No good. Allen again.
Allen Vergara.
Magsambol. Pass to Vergara. Bonok Vergara. Bonok. No goal. Rebound by JL San Jose. San Jose. Naharas. San Jose. Pass to Vergara. Vergara libre-libre.
Allen Vergara.
Ganson. Ganson. Pass to Jeron Javier. Jeron Javier for 3. No good. Vizcara again. Vizcara for the shot. No good. Rebound by Gasgoña. Gasgoña! May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 25. JR Vizcara. First personal foul, first team foul. 30-21. 9-point lead by Pula.
Gasgoña. Pass to Buraga. Pass to Vergara. Vergara. Ganda ng pasa kay Gasgoña yan. Gasgoña for the shot.
Kenneth Gasgoña.
Javier to Ganson. No good. Rebound by Gasgoña. Gasgoña pass to Cabubas. Cabubas pumukol ng 3. No good. Vizcara. Naghanap ng kakampi. Pass to Magsambol. Magsambol. Intercepted by Joey Buraga. Buraga crosses over. Pass to Allen Vergara. Free for the 3. Wala. Rebound by Buraga.
Joey Buraga.
Lumalago na ng unti-unti ang kalamangan ng Pula. Vizcara, pass to Magsambol. Magsambol to Aldrin Vergara. Vergara, naghahanap ng papasahan. Poposte, pass to Vizcara.
Red ball.
Yes, San Jose.
Gio San Jose.
Bonok Vergara, naghahanap ng screen. Gaki Ganson, kumuha ng bola. Ganson for the shot. No good. Ganson again for the rebound. Ganson, pass to Vizcara. What a pass!
JR Vizcara.
Vergara. Allen Vergara yan. Hindi na yan si Bonok. Gasgoña for the shot. No good. Vizcara naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Bonok. 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 Nabitawan. Vergara nagbababa. Allen for 3.
Allen Vergara 3.
Vizcara for the layup. No good. Buraga, pass to Vergara. Grabe ang backcourt. Ang bibilis. Ganson nagbababa ng bola. Ganson, dumidiskarte. What a crossover. Intercepted by Buraga. Buraga fix. Cabubas for the shot. No good. Gasgoña for the rebound. Gasgoña for the shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Luntian. Timeout.
Time out Luntian.
Renz, natamaan mo yung konti ng ano, yung camera. Iyan naman lang, pakanan, pre. Ay, ito, sorry, tama. Sige pa, konti pa. Pababa konti. Baba konti. Baba pa konti. Yeah. Thank you.
Wala pa na rin.
Hindi ko napansin.
Gas lang na ano. Symbol ba?
Renz. Konting pa, ano. Hindi, pakanan.
Symbol ba?
Ay, sorry, pakabila pala. Yan. Okay. Ganson, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Karaig.
Double.
Camera. Magsambol. Pass to Vergara. Bonok.
Outside.
Minura pa yung wire. Kawawa naman yung wire. Gasconia, no good. Rebound by Vergara. Karaig. Pass to Ganson. Libre-libre yan.
Aki Ganson.
Kabubas. Pagsambol, intercepts. Pass to Ganson. Ganson for the layup. Wala, kapos. Kabubas for 3. No good. Rebound by Bonok Vergara. Vergara for the layup.
Bonok Vergara.
Gasconia. What a move by Gasconia.
Kenneth Gasconia.
Chinemre.
Bonok Vergara. Traveling.
Lahat naging referee sa play na yun.
Dami na rin pa.
Bonok Vergara. Post up. Bonok again.
Bonok Vergara.
What a power move by Bonok.
Traveling.
Nagiging referee yung mga player sa mga ganong instances. What a bullet pass to Bonok. Wow, what a block by Buraga. Bonok Vergara, no good. Andre C.
Andre C.
First 2 points.
Vergara for the shot, no good. Buraga.
Tangin na nilalagay.
Joey Moraga. 43 to 33. 10-point lead by Pula.
Last time pula pa rin negosyado ron. Dave, yung dadagan niya Boris.
Kabubas for the shot, no good. Rebound by Karaig.
Green ball. Substitution. 43 to 33. 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Andre G for 3. No good. Rebound by Gasconia. Pass to Allen Vergara. Nag-iisa lang si Magsambol doon. What a move by Allen.
Allen Vergara.
What a move by Vizcara. Pass to Bonok. Bonok po poste yan.
Rolling.
Allen Vergara pinasa kay Yel San Jose. San Jose na nasundutan pero nakuha pa rin ni Joey yan.
Joey Moraga. Stepping. 14 seconds to shoot.
Gasconia na libre. No good. (47-33) second quarter, 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the second.
47 to 33. Lamang ang pula. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Karaig to Vizcara. Vizcara for 3. No good. Joey Buraga for the rebound. Pass to Allen Vergara. Allen steps back for 3. No good. Allen again for 3. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound pa rin kay Buraga yan.
Foul on number 30. Anthony Caraig. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Joey Buraga.
Bakit may taga-rebound? Tira na tira.
Na-real talk. Magsambol, setting up the play, setting aside. Caraig, muntik mabitawan. Vergara for the shot, no good.
Foul on number 15, Kenneth Gasgoña. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot.
Michael Magsambol. Wow, what an interception. Kala ko nasa audience lang, Allen Vergara. Vergara to San Jose. Naagawan pa yan, pero recovered by Allen Vergara. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Kabubas, no good pa rin. Gasgoña.
Foul on number 54, Michael Magsambol. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for Kenneth Gasgoña.
Pasok, pre. Second try. Second shot for Gasgoña. No good. Rebound by Jeron Navier. Pass to Magsambol. 49-33. 1 minute remaining in the second quarter. Magsambol. C. No good. Rebound by Kenneth Gasgoña. Ang dami niya nakuhang kamay dun. Gasgoña. Pass to Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara hesitates. Gasgoña. Side steps.
Wow! Kenneth Gasgoña.
What a move by Kenneth Gasgoña. Nagpapasab bigla. Nagpapasab na. Andre C. Pass to Jeron. Jeron for 3. No good. Buraga for the rebound. San Jose. San Jose stops and pops. No good. Jeron Navier for the rebound. Nagbababa ng bola. Harassed by JL San Jose. Intercepted by Yoj Buraga. Pass to Allen Vergara. Na libre sa 3. May taga-rebound daw, sabi ni Renz.
Allen Vergara, 3. That's the end of the second quarter. Ang score natin, 54-33. Lamang ang pula.
Tangin mo, Brad. Titingin mo, Brad, ha?
Uy! May mga nanonood tayo mga bata.
Grabe ka mag-mura.
Mura ng mura, tangin mo. Hindi kami nagmumura.
Hindi na siya nagmumura, tangin mo.
Hindi ba nagmumura?
harap ng Team Puti sa ating semifinals.
Ganun pa rin talaga eh, mukhang 1-2 rin talaga.
Bubulong ka pa dyan. Takbo. Kasi alin. Walang pass break mo. Portable yung pad.
Ganda rin yung laban nila nung ano eh. Eliminations eh. OT, diba? Rematch. Bro,
Back to the ball game. Shoutout sa ating Team Rosas. Magandang gabi sa inyo at maraming salamat sa ating kooperasyon sa OSNBL. See you next season, Team Rosas. Shoutout sa ating mga live audience. Hello, Labets! Halili Sisters! Hello, Ate Tina! Kamusta kayo dyan?
Andre for the shot! Wala! Buraga, pass to Allen Vergara, tumira ulit kasi may taga-rebound, no good! Vizcara nagbababa ng bola. Vizcara crosses over, what a move, no good! Kabubas, what a rebound, pass to Allen Vergara, syempre titira ulit yan! No good again! Nabigyan ng go signal ni coach. Bonok Vergara, pass to Vizcara. Vizcara for the shot.
JR Vizcara!
Joy Buraga.
Joey Moraga!
Bagsambol, pass to Vergara for 3. For 2 lang.
Bonok Vergara!
2 points lang ha, 2 points. San Jose, pass to Buraga. Buraga back to Kabubas for 3. No good. Rebound by Vizcara. Hindi pala, outside pala yan. Jail for the 3. No good. Magsambol, pass to Jeron Navier. Jeron Navier for the shot.
Jeron Navier!
Shoutout sa'yo, Ate Rona. Allen Vergara fix. Kabubas for 3. No good. Rebound by Andre C. C nagbababa ng bola. Jeron Navier fix. Jeron for the shot. No good. Nakuha yan ni Bonok.
Bonok Vergara!
15-point lead. Allen Vergara naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Buraga. Buraga back to Vergara. Vergara for the 3.
Allen Vergara 3!
Grabe naman yun, Allen. Seven minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Magsambol, pass to Vergara. Vergara, dumindiskarte, setting up the play. Pass to Jeron Javier, libre sa 3. No good. Rebound by Nilo Javier. Javier, pass to San Jose. San Jose, pass to Vergara. Alam mo na, pero pinasa kay Kabubas. 4-3.
Kabubas 3!
At ganun-ganun na lang ay 21 na ang lamang. Buraga with a fancy pass to Allen Vergara, no good.
Namatay cellphone. Namatay cellphone.
Vergara.
Video ba ba?
Meron yan. Ay,
JR Vizcara!
Alam ko lang ang laki
Alfred Cabubas, 3!
Wow! Grabe si Penpen, may bitaw. Apat na 3 points na yan para kay Alfred Cabubas. Maganda ang gising. Nilo Abier. San Jose. Vergara, libreng-libre sa 3. Vergara for 3. No good. Sa kanya ulit ang bola. Vergara fix. Vergara pass to Penpen. Cabubas for 3. No good. Magsambol. Pass to Bonok. Bonok. Bonok tumira ng 3. Vizcara.
JR Vizcara!
Time out sila pag naka-offset pula.
20-point lead by Pula. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the third quarter. San Jose no good. Time out tayo.
Time out Muntian! Ang score 65-45, 20-point lead by Pula. 5 minutes and 20 seconds, 27 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Dalawa. Pero ang malakas kasi yung bracket B ng kabila eh. 1 and 2 eh. 1 and 2. Parang ganun din.
Back to the ball game.
Jeron Abier. Aras by Allen Vergara. Jeron. Pass to Garde. Jasper Garde with a fake, with a pass, with a shot for Vizcara, no good. Rebound by Cabubas. Cabubas crosses over. Cabubas. Pass to San Jose. San Jose.
Troubling.
Javier, Jeron, pinasa kay Vizcara. What a shot by Vizcara!
JR Vizcara!
Allen for the 3. No good. Rebound by Vizcara again. Ang ating rebound champion. What a move by
Jeron Javier!
Nabitawan niya ni Garde. Pass to Ganson. Aki Ganson for the shot.
Aki Ganson!
Bumababa na ng unti-unti ang kalamangan ng Pula. Renz, ilan na lang Renz? Hindi ko mabilang. What a block by Jeron! Pero recovered by
Joey Buraga!
Allen for the shot. Allen no good.
Foul.
Foul ba?
Foul on number 66, Joey Buraga. First personal foul, first team foul.
Pinapabayaan kasi ng luntian si Allen eh. Tumira ng tumira. Kung pinidepensahan nila yun, may iba eh, di ba? What a defensive play by Nilo Abier. Abier, doing diskarte. Abier to San Jose. San Jose for the shot, no good. Rebound by Garde. Garde, pass to Vergara. Vergara lays up. No good. Nakuha yan ni Vizcara with the rebound again.
JR Vizcara!
Sino pre? Sino foul? Ha? Jasper.
Foul on Jasper Garde. First personal foul, first team foul.
Buraga for the shot, no good. Rebound by Nilo. What a rebound by Nilo Javier. Ang kalaban niya doon si Bonok. Kabubas.
Kabubas 3!
Lima na.
3 points na yan by Alfred Kabubas. Iska boobs. Iska bubas. Karaig, babawi kaya? No good. Rebound by Jasper Garde. Pass to Karaig. Karaig, pass to Vizcara. Ang ganda ng pasa nun, pero wala. Joy Buraga for the shot. No good. Vergara, pass to Karaig. Karaig, intercepted by the Black Superman, Nilo Javier. Nilo Javier, setting up, setting aside. Kabubas for the 3.
Alfred Kabubas 3!
Wow! Alfred Kabubas yan. Vizcara for the shot. What a pass by Karaig.
JR Vizcara!
Allen Vergara.
26 points na rin.
Kabubas for 3.
Alfred Kabubas 3!
Wow! 7 points! Buraga, gustong sumali sa 3-point shootout. Pero pinasa kay Allen Vergara. Vergara, binigay kay Kabubas. Si check! Pero hindi, si San Jose. San Jose naman!
Saya San Jose 3!
Wow! What a performance by Pula! Grabing laro ng Pula ngayon. Aki Ganson for the shot. No good. Kabubas. Kabubas, pass to Allen Vergara. Vergara, bullet pass to Alfred Kabubas for the 3.
Alfred Kabubas 3!
16 na 3 points na. 16.
Grabe! Karaig, babawi. Karaig for the 3. No good. Vizcara for the rebound and the shot. No good pa din. Vizcara for the rebound and the shot again.
JR Vizcara!
Sabi ka na, Pempel.
Yes, San Jose. San Jose for the layup. No good.
Green ball.
Pang best player. Pang player of the game ang laruan ni pare.
Clay Thompson.
JR Vizcara for the layup.
JR Vizcara!
Moraga. Pass to Kabubas. He check.
Alfred Kabubas 3!
Grabe! Kaya ayaw kita kalaban sa papawis.
End of the third quarter. Ang ating score 85-59. Lamang ang pula.
Siyam na 3 points na si Pempel. May ganun ka ba? Ben, nakakasyam ka na. Pagka mo na.
May ganun ka, Noy? May ganun ka? Ikaw, Len.
Anin lang ba yun?
Iba yung kanina.
Pito pre.
Pito ba? Pito?
Pito sa third quarter, dalawa sa first. Siyam? Ano ba? Tiro-tiro yung anin. Di, bantayan mo na yun. Bantayan mo na.
Kaya mo yun, lumalaki yung ulo eh.
Ano, Jay?
Hindi, si Queen.
Ano, Jay?
Si Queen sa leg ba?
Try mo rin. Try
Try mo, di! Sa leg ba? Pag 3 points, sa leg ka sa leg.
mo. Teka mo. Hindi, cut natin yan.
Hindi, leg mo si Queen.
Bata performance by Alfred Kabubas. Ilang 3 points?
Siyam na, pre.
Siyam na 3 points, 9 times 3, Renz.
Sabi mo ay border.
27, sinagot ni Binoy. 27 points out of that 3-point field goals made by Alfred Kabubas.
Yan, 5 points. Sige.
Grabe.
Back to the ball game. fourth and final quarter.
Grabe yun, boy. I-check talaga kung i-check.
Playoffs, Pente.
Playoff P. Allen Vergara. Wow, what a crossover. Pero intercepted yan. Jeron Javier. Gagawa kaya ng run ng luntian?
Jeron Javier.
Masyado pang maaga para mag-celebrate ang pula. Meron pa tayong last quarter. Buraga hesitates, pass to Penpen, back to Allen Vergara. San Jose, binomba pa yan, no good. Rebound by Jasper Garde. Garde, pass to Jeron Javier. Javier, libre.
Jeron Javier.
Kabubas, pass to Buraga. Buraga, dumidiskarte. Buraga, pass to Allen Vergara. Vergara for the shot. No good. Buraga again for the rebound. To San Jose.
Jill San Jose.
Aki Ganson. No good. Andre C. for the cleanup.
Andre C.
San Jose. Pass to Kabubas. Kabubas, titira kaya ulit? Hindi na. Pinasa kay Kenneth Gasgoña.
Kenneth Gasgoña, 3.
Grabe, para kayong token text. Lahat ng 3 points. Vizcara for the layup. No good. Rebound by Buraga. Ay, Kenneth Gasgoña. Rather. Kabubas. Pass to Allen Vergara. Nakangiti. Gustong tumira. Kabubas for 3. Alam mo na, Pen.
Kabubas, 3.
10 3-point field goals made. My gosh. What a block by Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara nagbaba ng bola, hinahanap si Penpen. Kabubas again. My friend Kabubas. Wala na yan. Di mo birthday boy. Yes, San Jose for 3, no good. Rebound by Jeron Javier. Jeron Javier pass to Vizcara. Pass to Andre C for the shot. Andre C is good.
Andre C.
93-67.
93-67, 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Kabubas for 3. Nakala ko, tisigaw na naman ako ng 3. Andre C. Muntik maagawan yan. Andre C for the layup.
Andre C.
Allen Vergara, easy lang daw, sabi ni Allen. Harassed by Jeron Javier. Milking the clock. Kenneth Gasgoña. Pass to Joel San Jose. Pumukol sa 3. No good. Rebound by Andre C. Andre C nagbababa ng bola. Andre C pass to Jasper Garde for the layup is good.
Jasper Garde.
Allen Vergara is now milking the clock. Harassed by Jeron Javier. Allen Vergara dumidiskarte. 8 seconds to shoot. Allen Vergara with a crossover. What a move. Pass to Gasgoña. Gasgoña with the layup.
Kenneth Gasgoña.
Good. Shot clock yun, shot clock.
95-71. Kalamangan ng pula. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Jeron Javier, 3.
Hindi bumababa sa 20 ang lamang. Dahil ba kay Penten yan? Vizcara nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Jeron Javier. Jeron Javier for the layup is good.
Jeron Javier.
Allen Vergara pass to Kenneth Gasgoña. No good. Kenneth Gasgoña for the rebound.
Kenneth Gasgoña.
Niluwa ng ring yan. Andre, pass to Jeron Javier again. Jeron, dumidiskarte with the layup. No good. Jeron with the rebound. Pass to Andre for the 3.
Andre C3.
Baliktaran ang ating score, 79-97. Running time tayo, kaya inuubos nila ang oras. Pero hindi na tayo running time pagpatak ng 5 minutes. Kabubas, nagdalawang isip, pinasa kay Kenneth Gasgonia, pass to Buraga.
Joey Moraga.
Andre C, 4-3.
Andre C3.
Allen Vergara, bullet pass to Alfred Cabubas. Alfred pass to Allen. 9 seconds to shoot. Kenneth Gasgonia with a move, no good. Rebound by. Ititira, nakaupo. Hindi pumasok yan. Kapos pa yan. Andre C, 4-3. Heat check. No good. Andre C again, 4-3.
Andre C3. Teka.
14 na lang ang lamang. 4 minutes and 6 seconds.
99-85. 4 minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Allen Vergara, naghanap ng screen kay Yodge. Aki Ganson with the harass defense. Buraga fakes. Buraga pass to Cabubas. Intercepted by Jeron Javier. Pass to Andre C. Tetira ng 3 yan. Pustahan tayo. Hindi pala. Andre C. for the layup.
Andre C.
12 points na lang ang lamang. Oh my God. Ito na naman tayo sa dying seconds ng fourth quarter. Pag bumagal kasi yung pace ng isang team na lamang, ito yung tendency talaga. San Jose. Good. Aki Ganson.
Aki Ganson.
10 points na lang ang kalamangan ng pula.
Balik.
And suddenly we have ourselves a ball game. San Jose for the shot. Libreng-libre yan. To stop the bleeding is good.
J.O. San Jose.
Siyempre.
Aki Ganson.
Jeron Javier. Jeron, hinagis kay Ganson. Ganson harassed by JL. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 5. J.L. San Jose. Second personal foul. First team foul. 101 to 90 now. 91.
First shot is good by Ganson.
Yan, first team. First pa lang po.
No good. Kanina, rep. Red ball.
101 to 92. Siyam ang kalamangan ng pula. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Cabubas for 3, no good.
Joey Moraga.
Jeron for the layup. No good. Rebound by Jasper Garde. Garde. No good pa rin. Garde again.
Jasper Gordon.
Ay, sorry.
Aki Ganson, rather.
Huwag kang muma. My bad.
Foul on number 9.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. 103-94. Siyam na puntos na kalamangan ng pula. 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Allen hinaharas. Stolen by Jeron Javier. Jeron stolen again by Allen. Pero pinasa sa kalaban. Jeron.
Jeron Javier!
Nilalaro mo ulit ha.
103-96, 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Kenneth Gasgoña for the shot.
Kenneth Gasgoña!
Sino Paul? Sino Paul, pre?
Who's foul, rep?
Who's Paul, rep? Rep, who's Paul? What a move by Jasper Guard ni Aki Ganson. Nalilito. Sorry na. Vergara. Pass to Kenneth Gasgoña. Pass to Buraga. Kabubas. Pupukol, hindi naman.
1 minute remaining.
Stolen by Jeron Javier. Jeron, pass to Garde. Garde for the layup is good.
Jasper Garden!
May pag-asa pa yan. 50 seconds remaining.
Foul on number 10, Jeron Javier. Third personal foul, 13th foul. 105-98, 40 seconds remaining.
Apat ka na dyan.
Foul on Jeron Javier.
Tatlo pa lang pala, pre.
Third personal foul, 14th foul. Foul on Jeron Javier. Fourth personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for Allen Vergara.
Rebound again by Buraga. Allen Vergara. Pass to Kabubas. Kabubas for 3. No good. 25 seconds remaining. Aki Ganson. Ganson for the layup.
Aki Ganson!
Uy, 5 lang yan. Ano ba kayo?
5 lang ang lamang ng pula. 19.2 seconds remaining. 105-100. 2 shots for Allen Vergara.
Gusto ni Allen ng overtime.
Garde. Pumukol sa 3. Garde. No good. 10 seconds. Vizcara for 3. No good. Andre C for 3. No good. At doon na nga natapos.
End of the ball game. Ang score 106-100 with the win by Team Pula. Maraming salamat sa ating lontian. Dito nagtatapos. Picture tayo, both teams. Picture tayo, both teams. Both teams, picture tayo. Both teams. Please go to the center court. Picture tayo.
Asa si Kuya Ali? Diyan ba?
Kuya Mike, Kuya Mike.
Ay, charger ah.
Puti. Semis.
Ano yun? 0-0.
Wala na yun. Knockout yun.
One game lang yun.
Wala na.
Dapat 5 to beat kami. Kanina kaling eh. Wala na tong